Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find and apply a job at McDonald's online. So first you can go to google.com or other search engine and then you can search McDonald's job, search it, and then depends on your location, it will shows the local McDonald's and the American McDonald's. Because I'm in Indonesia, it shows Indonesian McDonald's. And for this video, I will go to American McDonald's. And then this is the website. And then you can just go to restaurant jobs. And then as you can see, you can search by the type of the job or the location. Let's say I want to search Los Angeles, California, this one. Then I can search. And then as you can see, there is more than 100 jobs, assistant general manager, and you can scroll down until you find the job that fits with you. So let's say I want to apply crew member. Let's click apply now. Okay, it's loading. Oops, because I'm not in US, so it's not available. So if you are watching from US, you can apply the job and you can continue. I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.